Here is our list of the top 5 best spinning reels you can get right now. The Piscifun Viper X is a popular choice for anglers due to its smooth performance, durability, and affordability. Constructed from high-quality graphite, it balances strength and lightness for comfortable all-day use. Its 10+1 stainless steel ball bearings ensure a smooth retrieve, while multiple gear ratios allow versatility for different fishing techniques. The reel boasts a powerful drag system, up to 33 pounds, a waterproof design, and a braid-ready CNC machine spool. With reinforced components, it excels in both freshwater and saltwater conditions, making it a high-value feature-rich option for anglers of all skill levels. The Penn Slammer 4 is a high-performance saltwater spinning reel designed for serious anglers targeting powerful fish. Built with a full metal body and side plates, it offers unmatched durability and rigidity under extreme pressure. Its CNC gear technology ensures smooth operation, while the Dura drag system delivers exceptional stopping power, with max drag capacities ranging from 20 to 60 pounds. Featuring an IPX6 sealed body, it resists saltwater intrusion for long-term reliability. The braid-ready spool, leveline oscillation system, and hydrophobic line roller enhance casting and line management. Available in multiple sizes, the Slammer 4 excels in both inshore and offshore fishing applications. The Daiwa Tatula MQ LT is a high-performance lightweight fishing reel designed for strength, durability, and precision. Its monocoque Zion V body enhances rigidity, ensuring perfect gear alignment and accommodating an oversized main gear for greater power. The air drive rotor and bail system reduces weight and improves smooth operation, while tough DG gear ensures precision and longevity. The automatic tournament drag system provides smooth, consistent resistance when fighting fish. With a machined aluminum screw-in handle for comfort and control, this reel excels in various fishing applications, making it ideal for finesse techniques, deep water tactics, and heavy cover conditions. The Shimano Vanford FA is a lightweight high-performance reel designed for finesse anglers. It features a CI4+ body for reduced weight and enhanced sensitivity, while the Magnum light rotor lowers rotational inertia by 48%, allowing quicker responses. Infinity drive technology minimizes friction for smoother retrieval, and Dura cross drag enhances durability for fighting big fish. Silent drive and micro-module gear 2 ensure ultra-smooth operation, while the long stroke spool improves casting distance. With X-Protect technology for water resistance and Infinity cross gearing for efficient winding, the Vanford FA offers precision, control, and durability for various fishing applications. The Shimano Stradic FL is a high-performance spinning reel built for both freshwater and saltwater fishing. It features Hagane gear for exceptional strength, silent drive for reduced noise and vibration, and micro-module gear 2 for smoother retrieves. X-Protect technology ensures water resistance, while the long stroke spool enhances casting distance. The cross-carbon drag system provides up to 24 pounds of reliable drag. Its G-free body design improves balance and reduces fatigue. With X-Ship technology for gear durability and SARB bearings for corrosion resistance, the Stradic FL is ideal for serious anglers.